Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Ally Bank login password, secure fix step by step clearly. To reset your Ally Bank login password, start by visiting the Ally Bank website. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. Below the password field, click on Forgot Password. You will be directed to a new. Enter your registered email address or username associated with your account. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Ally Bank. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Click on the password reset link provided in the email. You'll be taken to a secure page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once confirmed, submit the new password. After successfully resetting your password, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now you can return to the login page. Enter your username and your new password. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Ally Bank customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.